Hello and good evening, friends. My name is Shantanu Vaidya. I am here with the new video topic. My today's video topic name is memory allocation in Java. So basically, we all know that Java is object-oriented programming language. So it needs to be create every specific element with the help of object. It means it has to be stored in some area. That particular area we can call it as a memory. So in Java, there is a two type of memory. Basically, Java stores a memory by itself in JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So in that JVM, there is a particular memory space or memory allocation department that has two subparts. First one is that heap memory. Second one is that stack memory. So in this video topic, I'm going to explain you heap memory. So what is the use of heap memory? What is the basic principle of heap memory and the functions which is going to be performed in that particular memory allocation process? So this is our today's video topic. Heap memory is going to be store a particular object when it is going to be created by particular object, that is this, or you can say that you can call a particular variable method with the help of this. It means this is a keyword, and that keyword going to be create a particular object for that method or area of method or local variable. So that variable and method is going to be give the reference of that object. So that reference is going to be stored in heap memory. So this is the functionality of heap memory. It means it is going to be store a particular reference as well as object of that particular method. So in that heap memory is less compare in the comparison of heap and the stack memory. Heap memory is lesser going to be execute. It means heap memory required more time to execute as well as full. Heap memory is going to be full in more time. It means it take a duration, longer duration to get full. But in other hand, you can say that stack memory is going to be full quickly, because stack memory has a limitations and heap memory has a huge area of the JVM, Java Virtual Machine, and or that area is going to be covered totally by variables, methods, classes. So with that, you can call them and you can get the object of that particular class method, and that object's reference is going to be stored in heap. So that is why it is going to be have a longer duration to fulfill that particular heap memory. But in case if you get your heap memory full in Java, so what kind of error occurs or what kind of thing done? So first one is that you can get the memory out of bound exception or full of memory exception. So it means your heap memory is going to be full, or heap memory is at the peak of the full. So yeah, after that, your garbage collection method is going to be called, and minor garbage collection method is going to be perform the garbage collection operation. It means it is going to be perform a operation over the object or the reference of that particular object, which is going to be not relocate any kind of reference. It means in your heap memory there can be some objects which has no reference, which has no longer reference. So that object can be removed by using garbage collection. In heap memory, there is a three subparts, that is younger, older, and permanent memory. It means there is a three subsections. Younger sections, as the name indicates, it means it has a newly created object stored in the younger section. Then older section. If a younger section is going to be full, at that time your minor sorry